Hey guys, welcome to this video. In this video we're going to be talking about Microsoft Word and how to save our files in a specific location. Saving them to a specific location automatically, so we don't need to worry about where are they saved. So the idea is to create a custom file or a custom folder we can save all our Word documents. And I'm going to show you step by step how to save them to a specific location. First step is going to the file option on the menu above. On the menu we go to the options. After we have opened our Word options, we can see that we have a lot of options and a lot of settings on Word. But for us, what is important right now is the save option. On the save option, actually we can see a lot of things. For example, we can see the default type of our Word documents, and also we can see the auto recover file location and also the default local file location. And this is the the option you need to modify in order to choose a default location to save your files or to save your documents. So if you want to choose a specific location to save your documents, you hit on browse and then you choose that location. So now right now I am in the OneDrive desktop new folder location, and I have here Word documents. It's just a folder I have just created. This is an empty. So if I want to choose it, double open it, and then I hit on OK. So in this way, as you can see guys, I have changed the location on where I'm gonna save my files, and then we hit on OK. So let's take a look. So if I want to save this document right now, I can see the name of it is doc1, and where it is saved. It is on the desktop new folders to Word document. It's just the folder that I have created. Hit and save. And right now it is actually, as I said, it's saved on this location I have just created. So let's say I wanna change the location more. So if I wanna change the location more, I just hit on file, and then from there I go to options, and then the save option, then go to the default local file location, browse it, and for me I used to save them on the Office folder and then Word. Hit on OK, and it is in the new documents are going to be automatically saved with this route, and then I hit OK. I hope this video was useful for you guys, and see you on the next one. Please like it, share it, and subscribe to the channel for the new videos. Bye.